Hi. One of the things that I have noticed about biomedical engineering is that there is not enough awareness about the field. Okay, many students, parents, as well as professionals in other field do not know what biomedical engineering is about and what biomedical engineers do. In order to create interest and awareness, I am making this video. Specifically, I came across a very nice project by students in social media, and I contacted them asking if we could feature the project in this channel. And this was during the lockdown period. We don't have the setup to record the interview and all that. I just sent them the questions by text, and they sent me back 10 videos answering the 10 questions. So I'm going to feature that in this particular video. This is certainly one of the best biomedical engineering projects that I have come across, and I thought it's very appropriate to share it in order to create interest and awareness. First two questions. How did you get interested in biomedical engineering? Known as Biomed Jakes, and they are very active in Instagram posting about biomedical engineering. And when I sent them this questionnaire, I did not know who they were. I just suspected that they are students, and here is their answer. Hello everyone, I am Priyanka. I have a twin brother. His name is Rahul. So we both travel together from our KG until our BE in biomedical. Yeah, I know this sounds weird. Most of the people don't like siblings to exist in their professional life, but we are totally different. We love being together, but it's not like we don't fight. We do that too. We are more like friends. We had this aim of becoming doctor, both of us, but we did not score required cutoff marks to get into a medical college. So I started looking for other allied health science courses available. Meanwhile, our father asked us to apply for TNEA, Tamil Nadu Engineering Applications, I suppose, during when I came to know about biomedical engineering through one of my school friends. I went through the syllabus of this course and watched some YouTube videos and found it very much interesting. So I selected this course at Jerusalem College of Engineering, Chennai during my counseling in the year 2016. And so did my brother along with me. Great. Okay, so we are dealing with two biomedical engineering students who are twins. Hi, Priyanka and Rahul. And so the next question I sent them is, what is the inspiration and story behind Biomed Jakes? So all those things, this Kalams and Krishnans, Biomed Jakes, they all have some kind of inspiration story behind how they started, why they started. And here is their response. I am not a big fan of social media, still I use them. That's also the case with me. I don't have an active Facebook account. One day when I was scrolling through my feeds on Instagram, I found some really good technical pages and started following them. Later I got this idea that why don't I create one page and share information related to biomedical engineering. This year on January 26, it was a holiday and shared my idea with my brother. He said yes to my idea. And on the same day we started this page. Later we started to share posts on our page based on what we learn every day. That's very nice of you too. And here comes this project that I wanted to discuss in this video. Ask them, please tell me about the stroke rehabilitation project. And here is their answer. We got this idea for our project merely based on things happened in our life. Both our grandpas, paternal and maternal, were stroke victims. They passed away recently. When our paternal grandpa was on deathbed in 2019, we saw him suffering a lot. He was aged above 70 and he would easily get confused with identifying people and the things happening around him. He would speak as if he is at his 30 years phase because of his unstable mental health. In the end, he suffered to make simple movements, and these things affected us both deeply, and that's how we were inspired to do this project. So a couple of personal comments at this point. First is that one of the common things that I notice about biomedical engineers, and this also applies to a lot of excellent doctors, is that they are extremely compassionate. Okay, usually they see some health problems and pitch in to start solving the problem. That's a common trajectory for many biomedical engineers that I know. So I got deep into biomedical engineering when my father had a stroke and I was working on blood coagulation. As a mechanical engineer, I was studying flow of blood within the circulatory system, which are pipes, right? Also, I know that Professor Y.C. Fung, he got deep into biomedical engineering because of his mother's glaucoma, essentially high pressurized blood vessels in the eyes. Okay, so let me proceed further with their reply. A week before he died, after visiting him at his home, I came back to my home and started to research about more on stroke. Since our grandpa was a hemiparesis patient, which means big paralysis in one side of the body. I have seen him with physiotherapists during his recovery process. But our grandpa was least interested in those training sessions where they do same exercise umpty number of times. I took into consideration further research on it and came to know about various exercises and their mode of delivery to patients. One such technique was game-based neuro-rehabilitation therapeutic exercises. It inspired me a lot. Since I am from biology background, I didn't have much computer skills to develop games, but my primary thought was I can learn anything if I try to. So I learned a software and integrated with things which I already learned and developed a prototype. There are so many exercises available, but we focused on only 3 hand exercises: palm up and down, wrist bend movement, and finger curl. Palm up and down, wrist bend movement, we developed 3 games for 3 exercises. Unfortunately, we were unable to complete the hardware for third exercise due to the current pandemic situation. Okay, so to summarize, project is that stroke patients need to do exercises which are considered to be boring, but you convert that into a game and this rehabilitation becomes much easier and user friendly. That I suppose is the core of the project. So then I asked them about project team members and mentors. They replied, project team members are Priyanka Bhaskaran, so who sent me the videos, her brother Rahul Bhaskaran. Then we have Kaushik Rajendran, who is a friend. We initially discussed our idea with our mentor, Ms. V. Maithili. She encouraged us to start our idea with a proposal work. Later, we presented our proposal in an esteemed institution, which brought us lots of appreciation. Since our mentor left our college, our team was assigned to another professor, Dr. Sophia Bobby. She also guided us throughout the entire process of our project. Then I asked them, what do you plan to do further about the project? And they said, these games can be integrated with IoT to allow multiplayer mode or to have a regular update of online scores. Further, researches can be done to design games and kits to augment motor activity other than hand, including shoulder, arm, and more. We also wish to develop the prototype into a product. And of course, I think converting a working prototype into a successful product is one of the best things that biomedical engineers could do. And I wish you all good luck with your successful venture. And towards the end, I asked them, what is your vision in biomedical engineering? They said, our vision in biomedical engineering is to solve as many problems in the healthcare and come up with the best solutions and technologies to the field of medicine. That's also the same vision that I am working towards. It feels so good to come across students and biomedical engineering professionals like you. Again, I wish you all good luck with your vision. And finally, I asked them some comments about the Kalams and Krishnan channel and comments to fellow biomedical engineering students. They said, I came to know about Kalams and Krishnan's biomedical YouTube channel when I was preparing for GATE 2020. It's a great platform for each and every student preparing for GATE BME. Short and simple videos uploaded by sir are more useful. We truly admire your work, sir. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope you got some nice scores in the GATE 2020. But for students like you, the score doesn't matter. Students who are doing some amazing project, students who have identified a real problem and a solution for that. To all our biomedical friends, we wish to say that we have to work both hard and smart. There are so many health problems around us which we fail to notice every day. If we start noticing them keenly, especially in the biomedical point of view, each one can solve each problem, and many more such problems can be solved. All the best, everyone. So I think the major takeaway is that start with a real problem, real health problem that you are aware of, and start solving it. One day if you solve it for one person, you save one life or improve one life. Someday you will end up saving millions of lives or improving millions of lives. With that, I hope you found this video very informative. I thank the students Priyanka and Rahul very much. I hope to post more videos like this about biomedical engineering to create interest and awareness. I'll see you with more videos.